Full mouth reconstruction is where I may make a lot of changes in your mouth as far as restoring your teeth and getting them back to the best aesthetics and you being able to eat the best that you can and you being able to eat anything that you want. It may involve many different dental procedures. It may involve implants. It may involve tooth replacement. It may involve dentures, partial dentures, veneers. It may involve crowns, bridges. Every situation is different, very customized to your situation. I'd be happy to help you figure out what your options are to restore your mouth. We may call it a full mouth restoration, where we make a lot of changes, but it is possible and we can make it work.